Lesson topic: stem cells. Will new hair grow? No, not entirely. And before you spend money on false hopes, listen for 2 minutes to understand what to expect. Stem cells are those cells in your body that can do two things. First, they can renew themselves. Secondly, to transform into other cells, into skin, muscle, bone cells, and yes, also hair. And that's why the entire world of medicine is excited about it, because in theory, it's the key to regenerating practically everything. But now we come to the key word, in theory. When we inject stem cells into the scalp, it can help regenerate hair follicles. They secrete growth factors that stimulate the follicle to resume the hair growth cycle, especially in individuals with androgenetic alopecia. But, and that is a very big but, this only applies to the follicles that are still alive. In a place where the follicle no longer exists, stem cells will not create a new one. Hair will not grow there from nothing. We are not yet able to stimulate stem cells to transform into hair follicles. Currently, two main methods are used. The first, autologous therapy. We collect the patient's stem cells and we administer them into the scalp. Your cells, your body, the same principle as with hair transplants or PRP. Second, only PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. These are not strictly stem cells, but the concept is similar. Growth factors from your own blood stimulate hair follicles to work. The results vary. Some see a noticeable improvement, while others see little. It depends on the patient's genetic predispositions, the degree of hair loss, and the quality of the therapy. And I'll tell you honestly, stem cell therapies are still in the research phase. This is not a ready, proven product. With a 30-year history like finasteride, it's a promising direction, but for today, a direction, not a destination. So when someone tells you that stem cells will regrow your hair, thank them politely and run away because it's not true. Stem cells can strengthen hair, but they will not cause the regrowth of new hair from new follicles. Science is moving forward, and who knows, maybe in a few years I will stand in front of this camera and tell you something different. But today, I am telling you what the current state of science is. Another lesson behind us. Thank you for participating, and I remind you, in my lessons you can eat and chew gum. I invite everyone to join.